Best quotes of Nelson Mandela. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Do not judge me by my successes. Judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. What counts in life is not the mere fact that we have lived. It is what difference we have made in the lives of others that will determine the significance of the life we lead. It always seems impossible until it is done. I never lose. I either win or learn. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Poverty is not an accident like slavery and apartheid. It is man-made and can be removed by the actions of the human beings. Forgiveness liberates the soul. It removes fear. That's why it is such a powerful weapon. Courageous people do not fear forgiving for the sake of peace. There is no passion to be found playing small. In settling for a life that is less than the one you are capable of living. I like friends who have independent minds because they tend to make you see problems from all angles. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. You can start changing our world for the better daily, no matter how small the action. Lead from the back and let others believe they are in front. When people are determined, they can overcome anything. The wounds that cannot be seen are more painful than those that can be treated by a doctor. If you want to make peace with your enemy, you have to work with your enemy and he becomes your partner. As I walked out that door toward my freedom, I knew that if I did not leave all the anger, hatred, and bitterness behind, that I would still be in prison. It is in your hands to create a better world for all who live in it. Fools multiply when wise men are silent. Difficulties break some men but make others. No axe is sharp enough to cut the soul of a sinner who keeps on trying, one armed with the hope that he will rise even in the end. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin or his background or his religion. People learn to hate, and if they can learn to hurt, they can be taught to love. For love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite.